Welcome to VQ Probe. VQ Probe is a professional visual instrument for objective and subjective video quality comparison. The main window of VQ Probe has three main areas: Project View, Playback View, and Metrics View. Now that you have configured your project, VQ Probe is ready to calculate video quality metrics. The functionality of video quality metrics calculation is available on Metrics View. Press the Run button to start the calculation. When the metrics calculation process is in progress, the Pause button appears. By pressing this button, you can pause the calculation. If you click the Resume button, the calculation will resume. The currently visible metric, by default, PSNR-Y, PSNR-U, PSNR-V, or PSNR-YUV, can be changed via the Metrics combo box. Use the Log button to see the results of metrics calculation in text form. For every non-reference file of the project, there is a table. Every table contains metrics values for every frame of a stream. Go to Metrics Options to open the Metrics Options dialog. There you can customize the calculation process for yourself. Go to the General tab. The following settings are available: Autosave results. Autosave the results of video quality metrics calculation. Use cached results. Use the results stored in the project file to build graphs on the fly. Results folder. Set the results folder. Clear results folder. Delete all files from the results folder. Go to the Common Metrics tab. There are several settings. Active metrics. Manage the active metrics. By default, only PSNR is available. Enable SSIM and/or VMAF if you want. Weights for PSNR, YUV. Set custom weights for PSNR, YUV.